What's up, everybody? Clay here at Mallard Motors. We got another new unit on the lot I'm gonna show y'all real quick, but before I get into all that, don't forget about the $100 credit challenge, or if we can't get your credit approved for a vehicle loan, we'll give you $100 cash money. What I got here is a 2014 model GMC Yukon XL Denali. That was a whole mouthful there for you. Denali's the highest trim level, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles. Third row seating, plenty of room for everybody. It's got a 6.2 liter V8 under the hood. A real pretty cream color. Fog lights on the front, tow hooks on the front, chrome grille. Got some chrome accents on the body. Got a chrome roof rack up there, chrome door handles, chrome trim on the doors, on the step rails. Got some 20-inch chrome plated alloy wheels there. Decent tread left on the tires. The Yukon XL is a little bit longer, kind of like a Suburban is, so it's going to have a little bit more storage room in the back. It's got automatic lift gate on the back. If I can get it to open, I'll show you. There we go. So you can see you got plenty of storage right there in the back. You can also lay that third row seats down if you need a little more storage. You got a towing package behind that cover there. Got your parking sensors back here so you don't back up into anything. Got you a backup camera there too. Leather on the interior. Looks like it's still in good shape. You got two captain's chairs in the second row, and then you got a bench back there for the third row. Got two DVD players, one for the second row, one for the third row. Got climate control for the back end. The two captain's chairs in the second row have heated seat built in. Got the heavy duty floor mats throughout. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work. It's got remote start. There we go. Got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors that also fold in and fold back out. Power seats. You got heated and cooled seats in the front. Sunroof up there for you. Again, you got the heavy duty floor mats throughout. Let's see. Okay. It's got 186,000 miles on it. Got your cruise control, got a heated steering wheel, got some hands-free calling controls for the radio over there. Got a nice touch screen. Alright, somebody was jamming. Got built-in navigation, if I can get it to pull up. Well, we'll come back to that. Backup camera. It does have Bluetooth and all that stuff. Let me see if I can figure out how to get to the radio. Oh heck, I don't know how to work this thing. We'll come back to that. So if you're interested in this ride, I'd be more than happy to talk with you about pricing or financing options. My name's Clay. You can reach me down here at Mallard at 870-639-9200. Thank y'all.